Hello everyone, welcome to the session. So my name is Somajit Goswami. I am the founder of Competition Crusade Classes, and in today's session we are going to see a DILR caselet problem, and precisely it's a four attribute Venn diagram caselet. Okay. My initial thoughts regarding this video was that I thought I will make this as a live session, a Facebook live session. Yesterday I did a live session also, but then I thought the quality was not up to the mark, so I had to delete the video. And because this is a very important concept of four attribute Venn diagrams, I am presenting you the recorded version of the video. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. So let's start the session. So this is the slide that is basically the caselet. I'll just reduce the video palette a little bit so that you can see this clearly. Now, for anybody who wants to probably take a screenshot, this is the time. If you want to take a probably screenshot, you can take it. And I kid you not, this is one of those questions that you can possibly see in one of the mock tests, and probably most of you guys have seen a part of something like this in your mock tests already. Is this a difficult problem? Definitely, this is not very easy, but then again, difficulty also lies on at which level of preparation you are at. For example, if you're somebody who is familiar with four attribute Venn and you know that what it requires, then it's not that difficult. But for somebody who has no idea about the four attribute Venn diagram, so they don't know the representation of the Venn diagram itself, so for them it can become a little challenging. Okay, because the four attribute Venn diagram is also a little different from the three attribute Venns. Okay, anyways, so before I start with this session, I wanted to give you some initials on what a four attribute Venn diagram is, and I would say that at this point in time you can switch to 1.5x because I'll explain things in a little detailed manner. So if you want to switch to 1.5x, probably do it. That will enhance your viewing experience. Okay, these are the questions. If you want to probably take a screenshot, you can take the screenshot also. Okay, so let me tell you how the representation of a Venn diagram of four attribute is made. So this is how a four attribute Venn would look. Okay, so basically it consists of a grid, okay, a 3x3 grid, and you just connect the dots from one to the second, from second to the third. Okay, so that is how you draw the structure, and then you just name it. So for example, the region, I have named the regions A, B, C, D in a circular fashion. It does not matter if you just write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and you can name it. But what happens is there is a significance to the regions A, B, C, and D. So the region A, region B, region C, and region D represents only one. Okay, so if I write A, B, C, D, they represent exactly one region, so they are not intersecting with anybody. Similarly, E and F, as you can see, E and F, they represent exactly two, and in that manner, if you go around and if you see, you will see exactly 2 and 3 exactly 2. So this region is also exactly 2. G, H, and then I is also exactly 2, which is only this. So if I name them, let's say alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. So alpha, beta, gamma, delta basically represents the entire sets of, let's say, attributes. So alpha is one of the attributes, beta is one of the attributes, gamma is one of the attributes, and delta is one of the attributes. Okay, this could very well be Abdul, Balram, Ganesh and Dhruv. So the amount of money that Abdul has, Badal has, Ganesh has, I hope you understand that. Okay. And then it is exactly similar to how we would have done in a 3 attribute Venn diagram situation. You just need to see what exactly does this G represents. So if I ask you, is it exactly 2 or exactly 1? See, it is there for alpha, it is there for gamma, but it is not present for beta and it is not present for delta. So G is also exactly 2. Similarly, what can we say about H? For H, it is present in beta, it is present in gamma, but not in alpha, because see, alpha, this entire this area is for alpha. H is not there, so this H will be exactly 2, and so on and so forth. Now what about this P? If I ask you, what about this P, I'm just representing, or in a way I'm interpreting these variables into regions. So what about this P? So this P is present in alpha also, in beta also, in gamma also, and delta also. Oh, so P is exactly 4. Now I would not go any further. If you do your homework, I'm giving you a homework to identify all these A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H into exactly 1 region, exactly 2 region, exactly 3 region, and exactly 4 regions. And actually, if you see, this structure will become exactly 3, this structure will become exactly 2. Okay, because let's suppose we take L for instance. Okay, let's suppose, because this is something that we have understood by practicing more and more set. It's not like, even if you do not know, that's completely fine. What about this L region? So L is present in alpha and beta, correct? L is present in gamma but is not present in delta. So exactly 3. Present in alpha, present in beta, present in gamma, so exactly 3. Similarly, if you look for this one also, that will be exactly 3. This will also be exactly 3. This will also be exactly 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3. So I will not go any further. If you do your calculation, you will be able to visualize the entire set. Okay. And I am pretty sure that this is not a very difficult task. You can very well do it. The only diagram that is important is this one. Okay. Now let me take you to the question. This is the question palette that is given in front of you. Now I hope you guys are able to see it. Obviously I can see it because I have a monitor with me, rather a laptop with me. If you find it difficult to see this, probably the best thing for you to do is open the PDF in the DPP sheet that I have shared, the PDF that I have shared in the Telegram group. Open the PDF in your mobile phone and then watch this video. Okay, or you can just use Alt Tab and do that. Okay, so that is something that you can do. But the thing that my concern is not how you are seeing this video. My concern is how exactly am I going to decipher this entire data in somewhere around 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now you would say, but sir, don't you think that we should be solving problems in 5 to 8 minutes? I mean, that is completely the case. But understand that you have to give due credits to the questions. In a question setup like this, which is everything thrown onto your face and there are no points, they haven't given you any condition, I am for sure I am saying that if you take 10 to 12 minutes and decent 10 to 12 minutes also, you can get all the questions correct. So the accuracy on this set can get 100%. Okay, so you can get 100% accuracy just by giving it some time, the time that it deserves. That is number 1 point. Number 2 point is, okay, now how do we solve it? For somebody who is for a beginner, you will be finding it a little difficult to maneuver through the problems but for somebody who is a practiced mind, you can definitely make sections of the case and you can go proceed like that. So how your brain should look at this set, okay, let me give you a snippet of that. Your brain should be able to look this set like this, okay. So what I have done is I have jotted down the information in two colors. So one highlighted color is yellow and the other one is blue, cyan, actually blue green. Now the thing is, see how many conditions I have. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, total 11 conditions I have. Now see, 11 conditions all given into a passage. That is perhaps the reason why people will find this a little difficult. Having said that, we have talked a lot. Now let's go to solving this set. Okay. So from 11 minutes, let's see how much we will take, because I have explained, so it will take some time, and because I'm explaining, it might take a little time. But then again, understand that time is not a constraint for us. You can always watch in 2x speed, but the idea is you need to understand the point that I am making. Okay, so I'll read and try to jot down as much information as I can. It was found that each of the children who like to play. Okay, so first of all, I need to see what are the attributes. So cricket, football, Spider-Man, Batman. So fine, I'll just write it down. So cricket, football, this one is Spider-Man, and this one is Batman. All right. Now you also have to remember there are 250 students. It was found that each of the children who like to play both cricket and football like at least one of the two superheroes. Now what do I make of this statement? Both cricket and football. Where is both cricket and football? I hope you can see both cricket and football is this one. Okay, please see the cursor. So this is both cricket and football, and they are saying they like at least one of the two superheroes, which means the area which does not have Spider-Man and Batman, that should also have at least one of them. But that is not the case. They are not, there is nothing common with this E, because Spider-Man and Batman is not only present in the region E. So in other words, what they are effectively telling you is that region E is 0. That much is clear. Okay, let's go to the next point, this one. The number of students who like both the games and both the superheroes is same as, okay, so first of all, we will decipher it in parts. Both the games and both the superheroes. Both the game and both the superheroes. I have just mentioned in the previous slide that is going to be this region. Okay, this P region. This P region, it will be this P region. Can I change the color? This, guys, just give me 1 second. Let me change the color to black. Yeah. So this P region will be, same as, let's read ahead, same as that who like both the superheroes but neither of the two games. Oh, both the superhero but neither of the two game. Which region will that be? Isn't this going to be the region? Because this region only has both the superheroes, but this region does not have any of the football or cricket. Okay, so fine. So we have taken that into the case also. But so far I am not sure what these numbers are. Okay, so P is equal to F, but I don't know the numbers. Okay. Of the students who like football but not cricket. Okay, football but not cricket. Football but not cricket is going to be this region, BHMI. Okay, this region. I hope you can see the cursor का उससे आप समझ जाओगे. BHMI. Like football but none of the students like Spider-Man. Okay, so none of the students like Spider-Man. So what that tells me is that this is 0 and this is 0. The students who like football but not cricket, that is BHMI. B will not be considered. Spider-Man तो उस रीजन में पड़ता ही नहीं है. Spider-Man जितना रीजन में पड़ता है उतना रीजन को हमने 0 कर देना है. Okay, let's move ahead. So the number of students who like cricket but not football. Cricket but not football. Same thing, this region. Cricket but not football. Cricket, the number of students who like cricket but neither football nor any of the two super. The number of students who like cricket but neither football nor any of the two superheroes. Okay, so where exactly will that region be? Cricket, neither football nor any of the two superheroes. Obviously that is going to be this region. I hope you can visualize that. Okay, this region is same as the number of students who like Spider-Man but neither Batman nor any of the two games. So Spider-Man and none of the two games will be this region, C region. Okay, let me mark it with a yellow sign. I hope the yellow is visible. Okay, so in other words, I can say that this is X and this is also X. I'm not using variables. I'm just in my mind saying कि अच्छा ये दोनों इक्वल है. नंबर तो पता नहीं है तो वेरिएबल से इक्वेट कर दिए. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी नंबर पता नहीं था तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्वेश्चन मार्क से कर दिए. आप चाहो तो आप क्वेश्चन मार्क भी दे सकते हो, बट क्या होता है कि क्वेश्चन मार्क को भी कुछ स्टूडेंट, मैंने ये चीज नोटिस किया है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट वेरिएबल्स समझ लेते हैं, तो इसीलिए मैं वो थोड़ा सा नहीं करता. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु लाइक फुटबॉल बट नीदर क्रिकेट. ओके, नाउ दे हैव स्टार्टेड गिविंग अस सम इंफॉर्मेशन. The number of students who like football but neither cricket nor any of the two superheroes is 17. Like football and not cricket and none of the superheroes. So this region is 17. Straight up it is given. Okay. The number of students who like both the superheroes is 52. Okay, where exactly is both the superheroes? So probably this entire thing will be both the superheroes, right? This entire thing will be 52. All right. The number of students who like both the superheroes but none of the two games is 18. Okay, both the superheroes but none of the two games. Okay, both the so this is going to be 18. F region is going to be 18. And I know for a fact that this question mark will also become 18 now. This gives me some idea. Acha guys, right now they have mentioned that this entire summation is 52, of which this is 0 and P and F is 18 and 18, which is 36. Now can you tell me what exactly is this much? Obviously all of that should add up to 52. So I have already got 36. I need 6 more. Okay, 36, 52. So 12 minus 6 is 6 and 4 minus this is 16. So I'll just put a 16 over there. Now I can also remove the other ideas. Okay, all right, let's move forward. The number of students who like Spider-Man but not Batman. Spider-Man but not Batman. Okay, so this one, Spider-Man but not Batman, is same as the number of students. Okay, Spider-Man but not Batman is same as the number of students who like cricket but not football, which is in turn 77. Okay, so basically what they're saying is that Spider-Man but not Batman is this region, is equal to, this will be 77. Okay, this will be 77, and this is equal to the number of students who like cricket but not football, which is AGKJ. Okay, so this region, so I can probably write a 77 over here. Okay, I hope you guys can see how I am jotting down information. Again I would like to say कि इसको 1.5x पे करके आप जल्दी देख सकते हो. Okay, let's move ahead. The number of students who do not like any of the two superheroes is 32. The number of students who do not like any of the two superheroes. So any of the two superheroes, so superheroes is exactly all of this area, so none of that will be A, E and B. So A, E plus B is 32. Okay, I don't have to write. I know आपको आंसर आ गया है दिमाग में, but I'm still writing it for the people who are finding it a little difficult. The number of students who do not like any of the two superheroes is 32. B is already 17. E is 0, so what will be the value of this? So 7 plus 5 is 12, so this is going to be 15. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. Then yeah, so this is going to be 15. Oh, so this x is equal to something, na? So this will also become 15. Oh, so this will add up to 77. Okay, I will have to wait. I cannot juggle around here and there. So let's just एक by एक चलते हैं. The number of students who like Batman and both the games. Okay, Batman and both the games. Batman and both the games. And both the games. Okay, both the games will be somewhere over here. Can I say Batman and both the games will be this one? I hope ये आपको दिख गया होगा. मैं फिर भी थोड़ा सा कलर चेंज कर ही देता हूं. बैटमैन एंड बोथ द गेम्स, दिस इज द रीजन. विच यही है रीजनिंग, और कुछ इसमें है नहीं. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हु लाइक बैटमैन एंड बोथ द गेम्स बट नॉट स्पाइडरमैन इज 23, क्योंकि उसने मना कर दिया है, तो ये आपका 23 हो गया. ओके. And the total number of students who like both the game is 70, and the total number of students who like both the games is 77. Oh, what does this mean? The total number of students who like both the games is 77. Both the games यानी कि ये पूरा इसको ऐड करने से 77 आएगा. अब ये ऑलरेडी this is already 41. So 18 plus 23 is 41. 41 subtracted from 77, what will that give me? Guys, quickly, what will that give me? Till that I have already got the answer in my head, but it's just that let me erase some space. So that is going to be 36. I hope that makes sense. Yeah. So 36 plus 15, 36, 46, 51. So 51 I have got, and I have to reach 77. How much do I need more? So I need 26 more. Yeah. So I need 26 more. This is 26, and they have also said that this is 77. Okay, they have also said this is 77. So far I have got 10, 30, 40, 45, 51, 57. 57 I have already got, so I need 20 more. Okay, 20 more. And what else is left? I have just one area left now. The total number of students who like none of the game is 60. None of the game is 60. Okay, none of the game is 60. So basically this region, which is DFC, none of the game is 60. I already have 25, wait a second, 25, 30, 33. 33 I have already got. 33 I have already got. I have to go till 60. So I am left 7, and 37 I am left, right? No, this is 27. Yeah, so this area will be 27. I hope you have been able to understand how I am doing all of this. So 27, and they have also said, and that who like Batman but not Spider-Man is 89. So if you add 20, 40, 60, 63, 70, 70 is already there. I need to make it 89. So 70 to 89, 19 more is required. This is 19. So this solves it. अब मैं इसका answers क्या ही करूँ आप? The only thing that you know would have posed a challenge in this set was कि how quickly you could have jotted down the information. But because I am assuming that anybody who is watching this video is going to be a self-study people, okay, if you are a coaching fellow, fine, but if you are a self-study guy, this is how you could have solved it. And आपने देखा कि हमने सिर्फ information को jot down किया है और आंसर हमारे सामने है. तो अब जरा सा आंसर्स को भी सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो बैक एंड सॉल्व द आंसर्स. So the question is, how many students like Batman and football but neither Spider-Man nor cricket? Batman, football, just a second, Batman and football but neither cricket nor Spider-Man. Okay, Batman football. This is 19. I hope you can see the region. The region is Batman and football, but neither cricket nor Spider-Man. That is this region I. So the answer to that will be, first one ka answer will be 19. Let's go back and see the question. Yeah, 19 is there. How many students like Batman and cricket but neither football nor Spider-Man? Batman and cricket, Batman and cricket, Batman and cricket but neither football nor Spider-Man. Okay, Batman and, okay, so this is going to be the region, Batman and cricket and neither Spider-Man nor football. So that is going to be 20. So 2 का जो आंसर होगा that is going to be 20. अब एक ही बचा है, लेट्स सी वो कौन सा है. Last question says, how many students like football but not cricket? Like football but not, how many students like football but not cricket? ये कौन सा रीजन है? Like football but not cricket. Okay. Actually, if you see, this is the entire football, that people that like football but not cricket. Cricket उसमें आ ही नहीं सकता. So 20, 27, 27, 27, 27 plus 9. 27 plus 9 is 36. This is the answers. हमने इसको 26 मिनट्स में सॉल्व किया है, बट ये सवाल अब जब मैं इसको पीछे मुड़ के देखता हूं तो ये सवाल डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. डिफिकल्ट तब है अगर आप इसको जॉट डाउन नहीं कर पाए. और ये देखिए ये इजी कैसे लग रहा है. You guys will be thinking, but sir, this is easy now. Yeah, of course it is easy. I have solved it because, you know, that is why it is easy. But it is only easy if, because I have made some, you know, modifications in the question. The question palette will be given to you some in a way like this. This much you will make. The diagram that I have made, this much you will be able to make. But then the idea is, how can I effectively translate this thing to what I just created? Okay. और ये पूरा का पूरा व्हाइट जब बैकग्राउंड रहता है ना, तो दिमाग वैसे ही ब्लैंक हो जाता है. तो आपके पास एक ऑप्शन होता है वहां पे, आप उसको क्लिक करके उसको ग्रीन कर सकते हो एलिमेंट को. तो जितना, या रादर ब्लू कर सकते हो उस एलिमेंट को. तो जहां तक आप जिस लाइन को आप पढ़ रहे हो उसको आप ब्लू कर दो. आप समझ लो मेरी बात को. बिकॉज इन द एग्जाम कंडीशन यू विल नॉट हैव अ हाइलाइटर एनीथिंग, और यू डोंट इवन हैव अ पीस ऑफ पेपर विथ यू कि जिसमें आप स्क्रिबल कर लो. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज प्रोबेबली आप अपना माउस को यूज करके उस एरिया को ब्लू कर दो, उसको पढ़ो, एनालाइज करो और आगे बढ़ो. तो आज के लिए गाइस आई थिंक इतना ही है. ठीक है, इसके बाद के सेशन में हम लोग DPP2 के जो क्वांट के प्रॉब्लम है उनको सॉल्व करेंगे. आप लोगों का सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आप लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और बस यही चाहिए, इसके ज़्यादा भी कुछ नहीं चाहिए. 4 एट्रीब्यूट वेन का कैसा लगा वीडियो आप लोग बताइए. क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट तो नहीं था, जैसा कि मैंने बताया. डिफिकल्ट उन लोगों के लिए है जिन्होंने इन्फॉर्मेशन जॉट डाउन करने में या तो हड़बड़ी किया है, या फिर जिन्होंने ये सोचा कि यार ये तो हम इसको तो ऐसे ही चुटकियों में निपटा देंगे. आप चुटकियों में क्वेश्चंस को निपटा सकते हो, सेट बनाने में आपको टाइम लगेगा. इट विल टेक टाइम, इट विल टेक द ड्यू टाइम दैट इट रिक्वायर्स. ओके, चलिए, थैंक यू.